Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Hola, vamos a empezar. Instala la app de Alexa y sigue las instrucciones.
Bonjour, votre appareil est prêt pour la configuration. Téléchargez l'application Alexa et suivez les instructions.
Your Echo is ready. Hey there. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Try saying this. Alexa, what's the weather?
Alexa, what's the weather tomorrow?
It's 55 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Let's try something new. To make trips to the store easier, I can keep track of your shopping list. Just say things like, Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list. Use your list in my companion app when you are shopping. Here's something new I can do. I can help with spelling and definitions. Try asking, Alexa, how do you spell neighbor?
Alexa, how do you spell neighbor?
Neighbor is spelled N-E-I-G-H-B-O-R. Check back in anytime with day-to-day questions. I'll be happy to help. Let's move on to the last part of this introduction. I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like. Then, I'll send you recommendations to your Alexa app. First question, do you like staying up to date on the latest news?
Yes.
Second question, you can personalize how often you need to say my name. With the follow-up mode setting, you won't have to say Alexa before every request. Want to learn more?
No.
One last question. I've got mad skills. Skills are like apps for Alexa, so you can do more, like play games, order a pizza, or listen to a meditation. Do you want to learn more about skills?
No.
I've sent your recommendations in the Alexa app. One last thing. I'm designed to protect your privacy. You can manage it in the privacy settings of the Alexa app. Okay, now it's time to explore. And thanks for talking with me.